Hi folks, I got this the other day off of eBay. Came to me in the box, and it is a special edition 1992 Expo Express Nashville, and it's got that stamped in the frame over here. But I've done some work on it. This is my first I made years ago, and I really enjoyed it so well I thought I'd do a little better version, and this came out really well, better than I'd even hoped for. I spent quite a bit of time. I replaced the axle, and then threaded it, and also tapped both flywheels, trued them, and they are 3/16 by 40 TPI now. Cleaned off the pulley right here, and like I said, I made a whole new steel axle, and then I also put a very precision bore on it, and there's no play almost at all. And then I made a pulley for this opposite side. Well, I'll flip it around here in a little bit, and it's a, let's see, 6-spoke pulley as well. Matches these exactly, and the tolerances are very good, and it runs very true. And very well. So I've got a Willisco engine over here, and I'll hook it up, and we'll have a little fun. Anything can drive this. It takes next to no pressure. Got a set of oak wheel chocks I made for it. Alright, let's get her going. And we're off. See if I can capture that. There we go. Anyway. So the fun thing about these is, while they don't actually drive anything, they have to be driven. They can drive something else with the other pulley on the other side. And that pulley is also threaded onto a stud, which it can be unscrewed and interchanged, I suppose, with another one if you want to make one smaller or whatever. So I'll shut it down here and flip it over to the other side. I'll be right back. Okay, here we're back, and the bigger pulley side. They're all in line with each other. These are really just fun accessories for your steam engine, and for the quality, they're a bargain. Not hard to convert. I probably got 2 or 3 hours in this. If you want to, like in the old days, you can give the pulley or the belt a turn, make it run backwards. Kind of a neat effect. Well, that's enough about the Waterloo Boy 2-horse. Thanks for looking, folks, and I appreciate it. Have a good day now. Bye.